today's topic, that is digit sum. Okay, now what is the digit? Anyone tell me? What is the digit? What is the digit? Yes, Ramam, tell me, Anna.
Sir, the digit is which is the number in any place. For example, 5 might be in the hundreds place. We call it 500.
Okay, what is the sum?
Sum is the answer in addition, sir.
Addition of two numbers or three numbers, whatever it is. Okay, now digit sum. This is very important tool to find the answer in a fraction of seconds in any competitive exams. Okay, now how to calculate this digit sum? See, suppose 24 is there. What is the digit sum of 24? You need to convert this two-digit number into single digit. How to solve? That is the sum of the digits. That is 2 plus 4. That is equal to 6. So what is the digit sum of 24? That is equal to 6. What is the digit sum of 1, 2, 3? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is equal to, what is the digit sum? That is equal to 6. What is the digit sum of 1, 2, 3, 4? That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what is the sum? That is equal to 10. What is the digit sum? That should be represented in a single digit. But here two-digit number is there. Now what should we do? Again, we add these two digits, so that is equal to 1. Suppose 5, 7, 8, 6. What happened? 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6. So 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 26. Again, you need to add 2 and 6, so that is equal to 8. So 8 is the digit sum of 5, 7, 8, 6. Now, what is the digit sum of 3, 4, 9, 7, 5, 6, 5? What should we do? Just add the numbers. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 9, 6 plus 7, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 5, 4. Here 3 fingers are there, so that is equal to 34. But this is a two-digit number. Now, what should we do? Just add 3 and 4, that is equal to 7. So 7 is a digit sum of 3, 4, 9, 7, 6, 5. Is it clear? Just add the sum of the digits and convert the sum into single digit is called as digit sum. Is it clear, all of you? Suppose, what is the digit sum of 2, 5, 9, 7, 4, 6, 3, 2, 1? What is the digit sum of this number? 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 9, 6, 6 plus 7, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 39. Now again, you need to add these two numbers, that is equal to 12. Again, you need to add these two numbers. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the one way. The another way is, all of you listen carefully, just to cancel the 9 or sum of 9s. That means 6 plus 3, 9, cancelled. 5 plus 4, 9, cancelled. 7 plus 2, 9, cancelled. So what happened? 2 and 1 left, so that is equal to 3. This is the digit sum. Okay, no need to add all the numbers. Once again, I'm going to explain. Yeah. See, suppose in any number, if you want to find the digit sum, what should we do? Just cancel the 9 or sum of 9s. Here, cancel the 9. Next, if you check whether sum of two numbers is equal to 9, then also cancel those two numbers. 6 and 3, 9 gets cancelled. 2 and 7, 9 gets cancelled. 5 and 4, 9 gets cancelled. So what happened? Only two numbers, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. That's it. Now, I'm going to explain one more example. Here, 5, 7, 9, 2, 6, 3, 8, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3. Let us see. So what is the digit sum of this number? First, you check any 9s are exist or not. Yes. Next, choose any two numbers. If the sum is equal to 9, then also cancel that number. 6 and 3, 9. 8 and 1, 9. 5 and 4, 9. 7 and 2, 9. So only two digits left. So what is the answer for this one? 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8, which is required answer. No need to add each and every digit. Okay, so what is the digit sum? Just cancel 9 or choose two numbers or three numbers, whatever it is. If the sum is equal to 9, just cancel the sum. Okay, now what is your doubt, Harshika?
Sir, actually, there's a 2 also there in the
What
number. There's 2 in the number.
Yeah, here 2 is also there. Yes, yes. And 2 plus, so 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10. So that is equal to 1 is the answer. Yes, good. Okay, now I am going to explain one more example. 5, 9, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4, 8, 5, 1, 4, 3, 9, 6, 8, 1, 7, 4. What is the digit sum of this number? What should you do? 9 gets cancelled, 7 and 2 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel, 8 and 1 cancel, 4 and 5 cancel, 5 and 4 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel, 9 cancel, 8 and 1 cancel, only two digits, 7 plus 4, that is equal to 11. And again, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So 2 is the digit sum of this entire network. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What about Raj brothers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, what is the application of this digit sum? Okay, before that, I will give you 5 questions, all of you. What is the first step? Just cancel 9, or sum of that 2 digits or 3 digits is equal to 9, just cancel that one. 7 and 2, 6 and 3, 8 and 1, 5 and 4, 9, 6 and 3, 5 and 4, only one digit left. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 2. All are correct. Now, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. No need to worry about that one. Next, 8 and 1 cancel. 6 and 3 cancel. 5 and 4 cancel. 2 and 9 cancel. So what is the answer? Answer is 0 or 9, whatever it is. Okay. Why? Because in multiplication or division part, we can represent it like this, that is equal to 9. In addition or subtraction, we are using 0. Okay, I will explain later that stage. Okay, suppose this sum is equal to 0. What is the answer? Answer is 0 or 9. Okay. Any doubt up to here, all of you?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now, 9 cancel, 7 and 2 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel, 5 and 4 cancel, 8 and 1 cancel, 9 cancel, 2 and 7 cancel. Only one digit left, that is equal to 3. Some students got 7, some students got 8, some students got 1. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now come to this one. 6 and 3 gets cancelled. 5 and 4 cancel. 8 and 1 cancel. 6 and 3 cancelled. 9 cancelled. 2 and 7 cancel, 9 cancel, only 1 is there. Just cancel, no need to add all the each and every digit, just cancel the 9, or sum of 2 digits is equal to 9, that also cancel. Next, 9 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel, 8 and 1 cancel, 2 and 7 cancel, 5 and 4 cancel, only 2 digits left, that is equal to 12. And 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So what is the answer? That is equal to 3. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Here, observation is very, very important. Okay, if you skip any number, any digit, answer will be changed. Okay, shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now the application of digit sum. Suppose I will give you one question, that is 4, 5, 7, 2, 6 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 9, 5, 7 plus 5 plus 7, 6, 4, 3, 8 plus 3, 4, 2. Suppose this is the question. Now, here, what should we do? Here, the answer is here 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 6, 2. So, what happened? 32. Right? So, unit digit is over. Next, 10 digit. 4, 7, 2, 5, 7. So 7 is here and 1 is here. Next 3, 7, 6, 3. So 3 is here and 2 is here. Next 6, 8, 3, 1. Next 7, 4, 11. So what is the answer? Answer is 2, 0, 5, 5, 2, 1. This is the answer, right? Now, is it correct or not? How to find whether the answer is correct or not? Here, we will identify the exact answer using the digit sum. So what is the application of digit sum? That is important. Now, so just wait, all of you. Yeah. What is the application? See, 4 and 5 gets cancelled, 7 and 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to 6. 3 and what is the digit sum of this number? That is equal to 6. What is the digit sum of this number? That is 7. What is the digit sum of this number? This is equal to 5. This is 5. What is the digit sum? 6 and 3 cancel. 8 and 4. 2 plus 7. 9, 19. That is equal to 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So this is equal to 1. And what is the digit sum of this number? So this is equal to 0. Okay. Now, what is the total digit sum? 6 plus 7, 13, 23, and 24. What is the digit sum of 24? That is equal to 6. So, just to add all the numbers, okay. Now, what is the total digit sum of this number? That is equal to 6. Now, you will check the answer. 5, 2, 2 gets cancelled. Here, 5 and 1, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Your answer is correct. That's it. In your examination, in any Olympiads or NTSC examination, suppose questions are like this and some options are also there. Some options are also there, right? No need to add all the numbers. just take a digit sum of the question and find the digit sum of the options and check which one is satisfied. That is the answer. Suppose more than one options are satisfied, then you must solve the question. Okay, is it clear? I'm going to explain one more example. All of you listen carefully. Anyone give me numbers?
Sir Ramam.
Tell me, Nana.
595793.
No. Just wait. Just sum of the numbers. Just we want to find the sum.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It's a 5-digit, 4-digit, 3-digit, the combination of whatever you want. Okay. Okay. 579 plus
231
okay
plus 39
okay
plus 9.
It's very simple. Just give me someone numbers.
Some more, sir.
Some okay. 4 5 7 2 plus 6 8 45. That is good. Okay. See, this is the sum. Now, first you need to find out the sum of these numbers, and then finally you should check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. Now, how to solve this one? First, 5 7 plus 9 6 plus 9 5 plus 1 2 6 plus 9 5. Okay, so 5 and 3 is in the tens place. Next 3 0 4 7 4. So 4 is here and 2 is here. Next 4 9 1 6. 6 is here and 1 is here. Next 8 2 1 and 6 5. So what is the answer? This is equal to 5. This is 7. This is 8 2 3 1. Okay. Now, whether your answer is correct or not, how to find your answer is correct or not? Just using the digit sum. Okay. Now, what is the digit sum? Cancel 9 and 9. 5 plus 5, 10. There go 1. 1 plus 7. This is equal to 8. The digit sum of this 5-digit number, that is equal to 8. Next, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1. So this is equal to 6. And this is 4. And this is 0. And this is 0. And this one, 6 and 3. This is equal to 8. Now, what is the sum? 6 and 4, 10. That is equal to 1. 1 plus 8. That is equal to 0. So what is the digit sum of this sum? That is equal to 8. Right? Now, cross-check your answer with the digit sum. Here, 8 and 1 gets cancelled. 7 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 and 5. What is the 3 plus 5? That is equal to 8. So your answer is correct. That's it. Is it clear, Nana? So, మీరు సమ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఆ డిజిట్ సమ్ అవుతుందో ఇనిషియల్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever it is, this digit sum is applicable. And in some cases, in some competitive exams, no need to solve the question also. In the digit sum, you will get the answer. At least 10 to 15% of the questions based on the digit sum. But 90% students don't know how to apply the digit sum. Not only 90, but 99% of the students don't know how to apply the digit sum concept in your examination. This is very, very important. Okay, I'm going to explain one more example. Okay, anyone tell me the question? Choice yours. Someone tell me, Nana? Or I'll take a session. I'll take a number. Six, 8, 9, 4, 2, 3 plus 4 plus 7, 9, 6 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 for 7 plus 26 plus 4, 7, 60. Okay, what is the sum of these numbers? And cross check your answer using digit sum. Okay, now first sum 2, 8, 5, 1, 5, 8. So 8 and 2. Next 6, 8, 3, 2, 4. Next 7, 1, 8, 2. Next 4, 3, 7, 6. Next 2. And what is the last one? That is equal to 6. Okay, so what is the answer? 8, 6, 4, 7, 1, 7. Now cross check your answer using the digit sum. So
The sum of the hundreds digits is 22.
yes, yes. Yeah, it is sum. 9 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel, 8 plus 2, 10. That is equal to 1. 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. And this is 4. 9 cancel, 7 and 6, 13. That is equal to 4, right? 7 plus 6 equal to 13. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Just you always convert that sum into single digit. Okay. Next 5 and 4, 2 and 7. So this is equal to 3. This is 8, 7 and 2. This is equal to 1. 1 and 8 cancel. 5 and 4 gets cancelled. So what is the sum? That is equal to 7. Now come to this place. 8 and 1 cancel. 6 plus 4. That is equal to 10. 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. So 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. So what is the answer? Your answer is wrong. Why? Because here the digit sum is equal to 7 and the digit sum is equal to 6. If these two are same, then only your answer may be correct. Suppose these two are different, your answer is absolutely wrong. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
But I did a mistake. Where? Yes, no mistake, no mistake. Yeah. Okay. So in your addition, you did a mistake. You did a mistake. That's it. Is it clear? Suppose in our examination also, if you want to cross-check your answer, whether your answer is correct or not, how to cross-check your answer? Just using the digit sum. That's enough. Okay. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to explain one more example. 37926 plus 458 3 plus 4 plus 793 plus 26 plus 8493 5. So what is the answer here? Now first 2, 8, 1, 5, 8, 4. Next 5, 7, 6, 4, 6. Next 2, 9, 4, 3. Next 9, 3, 0. Next 4, 7. And next only 8. So what is the answer? 4. This is 8. This is 5, 2, 9, 8. Now, just to cross check your answer, whether your answer is correct or not. Yeah. 9 gets cancelled, 7 and 2, this is equal to 0, right? 5 and 4 gets cancelled, 8 plus 3, 11. So that is equal to 2. This is 4. This is equal to 1. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. What is the 10? 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. And this is 8, cancel. 5 and 4 cancel. 8 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 1 plus 8, cancel. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 9 gets cancelled. So what is the answer? Answer is 0 or 9. Now come to this case. 9 gets cancelled. 5 and 4 gets cancelled. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. That implies 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9. So your answer is correct. What is the previous case? You did a mistake in addition. But what about this case? You'll get the exact answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nana? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, I'll give you only 2 questions. All of you solve that question and cross-check your answer with the digit sum. Cross-check your answer with the digit sum and put a message in chat box, yes or no. That means you'll get the exact answer or you didn't get the answer. Okay. Now, first one. Okay, I'll have to solve these 2 questions. That's enough. Solve these 2 questions and cross-check your answer with the digit sum. And tell me. Is it over? All of you?
Sir, how do we get the question?
Just in your completed exam, right?
No, not that, sir.